Hey friends, this is Anup from Learn for Tarakki. Today we are going to see what we are going to cover in this GraphQL series. So let's begin. So why GraphQL? We are going to learn about why GraphQL came into picture when the REST is already making a sound in the API world. Then we are going to see how it is different from REST API by first building REST API and then building the same API using GraphQL. We are going to cover the difference between them by keeping both of them side by side. We are going to cover about the GraphQL schemas and types, starting from the basic types, object types, and then finally to query and mutation types. Query and mutation types, just for understanding, is query is used for fetching the data and mutation types are used for modifying the data. Then we are going to cover about GraphQL resolvers. It is similar to controllers in REST API world. We will see how it is different from the controllers going forward. Then we are going to set up our development environment using Node.js and Express. We are going to build our query API with the help of Node.js. And finally, we are going to consume that API using GraphQL or Postman clients. And then we also be able to see the difference, how it is different from consuming the REST API using Postman. We are going to build mutation API. Then we are going to understand about the subscription concepts. In GraphQL, we are going to build some code to showcase the implementation of subscription in the GraphQL world. We are going to cover about the depth of GraphQL context, aliases, and fragment. We also understand how the validation works in the GraphQL world. We are also cover about GraphQL pagination, like how we can pass in the pagination related query params to the GraphQL API and fetch the data from the server. We're also going to understand about the authorization in the GraphQL world and how it is different from the REST API world. Then we are going to cover about the GraphQL caching, because GraphQL is totally based on HTTP post. So it is always a question whether we can cache it or not. So then we are going to talk about the GraphQL federation, which is being implemented with the help of GraphQL gateway. So there are two frameworks, Apollo and Mercurius, that actually provides the GraphQL gateway capabilities. We are going to cover both of them and see how they are different from each other. Then we are going to talk about the GraphQL microservices architecture. It means that we are going to talk about the tools and technologies and the best practices before we start building microservices architecture using GraphQL within it. That's it. Please subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss any upcoming videos in this series. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.